Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by choosing the correct path for your headphones, wired or wireless, and why that matters. Garageband relies on Mac OS audio routing. First, plug a USB or Lightning adapter, or pair Bluetooth in Mac OS Bluetooth menu. Once done, open System Preferences Sound and pick your device for input and output so Garageband sees it. If using an audio interface, make sure its drivers are installed and sample rate matches Garageband settings. This avoids latency and dropout later. Now you configure Garageband so audio flows correctly and you know why. Open Garageband, go to Preferences Audio/MIDI, and select the interface or headphone device for input and output. Then set the buffer size, lower for recording to reduce latency, higher for mixing to prevent glitches. Create a new audio track and assign the proper input channel, mono for one mic, stereo for two. Make sure the track's monitoring is enabled so you can hear through your headphones while recording or playing back. Finish by doing quick checks so you don't lose time. Enable the track's monitoring and hit play to confirm sound in your headphones, then balance headphone volume and track faders. If you hear no audio, check macOS output selection, Garageband master volume, and mutes. This fixes most issues immediately. If problems persist, restart Garageband, unplug and reconnect the device, and, if needed, open Audio MIDI Setup to confirm sample rate and channel mapping. Resetting those values often resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.